It's so new. I doubt you have the lab results back from Austin.
I showed that it was filed. We can confirm in the breakout room if need be.
Okay, whenever the judge puts us there, whoever court coordinator.
Okay, welcome to the docket for County Court of Law number 4 for Friday, December 9th, 2022. This proceeding being broadcast live via YouTube in compliance with the Open Courts Act. It is not to be recorded, re-recorded, or re-disseminated for any purposes whatsoever. State of Texas versus Jose Martinez, Mr. Griner. State of Texas versus Sonia Campbell, Mr. Cecil Bain.
I'm here.
Okay, as soon as your attorney logs on, we'll deal with your case, okay?
Okay.
State of Texas versus Giancarlo Alejandro, Mr. Thomas Hille. State of Texas versus Alma Sepulveda, Mr. Ramos.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Morning, sir.
Can I confer with the DA this morning, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Is this an MTR, Rick, or is this
No, it's a bond DWI case, Judge.
okay? Put you in breakout room number, let's see, it is. Put you in breakout room 1 with Mr. Reed.
Thank you, Judge. And just so the court's aware, I'm not sure if my client should be joining, Judge, but she's deaf. So if you're talking to her, she may not be able to hear you.
That's fine. If you want to reach out to her and tell her that I don't require her to be here, unless there's going to be something done with the case, okay?
Okay, I'll let her know, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. State of Texas versus Christopher Campos, Mr. DeWalt.
Defendant is present in the courtroom, Judge.
Thank you. State of Texas versus Carlos Ornelas, Mr. Griner. State of Texas versus Carlos Martinez, Mr. Valdez. State of Texas versus Oscar Palacios, Mr. Rocha. State of Texas versus Mark Birdwell, Mr. Castro. State of Texas versus Gilberto de Silva, Ms. Russell.
Defendant is also present in the courtroom.
Thank you. State of Texas versus Martin Arambula, Mr. Aleman. State of Texas versus Probesh Shateri, Mr. Karam.
Present, yes.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
What are we gonna do with your client, sir?
We have a PTD agreement that my client has signed. I just need to submit it to the court.
Okay, we will give you the February 16th to get that worked out, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you and your client are excused.
I have one more matter, Your Honor.
Okay, what else you got?
Okay. Mario Pineda, it's his first setting I'd like to confer. And he's
Mario
present.
Pineda.
Yes.
You have a case number on him?
Let me see.
693-700, Judge.
Thank you.
Listed under Bradley
Okay, yeah.
Bella.
Hello.
Okay,
Yeah, yes. Yeah, I mean, might be under Bradley or Javier Oliva.
okay, all right, let me put you in breakout room number 1 with Mr. Reed.
Thank you.
State of Texas versus George Tovar, Mr. Acevedo. State of Texas versus Rodolfo Garza, Mr. White. Michael White. State of Texas versus Benjamin Garza, Mr. Garcia.
I'm present. I don't know if Mr. Garcia is here.
Okay, we'll just wait for your attorney.
All right,
State of
thank you.
Texas versus Christopher Torraco, Mr. Powers. State of Texas versus Erasmo Martinez Acosta, Mr. Garza.
Present on that, Judge, I'd like to confer,
Okay, sir, breakout room 1.
and I've got another guy also, Porcayo.
Okay, go ahead and confirm both your cases, okay?
Okay, thank you.
There we go. State of Texas versus Ryan Conran. Anybody, Mr. Barton's office?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here on behalf of Gary Barton. Can I confer with the state when they have a second?
Yes, ma'am. Breakout room number 2, please, with with Ms. Thompson. Breakout room 2. There we go. The State of Texas versus Martin Torres, Mr. Zimmerman. State of Texas versus David Dodman, Mr. Quare.
Yes, sir. I'm here on that. If I could confer.
Okay, sir, breakout room 1. State of Texas versus Pedro Elizondo, Mr. Cobbs. State of Texas versus Rachel Juarez, Mr. Richardson.
I'm here. Are you here, Rachel? Okay, please,
Yes.
please put me in a breakout room, Judge, so I can talk about the offer with Mr. Reed, I believe. Yes, sir.
So you want to talk to Mr. Reed or you want to talk to your client?
Mr. Reed, he was gonna see about the offer blood test or whatever, so.
Okay, let me put you in breakout room number 1 with Mr. Reed.
Okay, and then I'll be in a breakout room with Rachel after I talk to him.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, yeah, go to breakout room 1, Joe. State of Texas versus Abilene Snyder. State of Texas versus Ryan Robles, Ms. Silver.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I would like to confer, we got blood back.
Okay, breakout room number 2, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State of Texas versus Alan Barrera, Mr. Barra. Okay, Mr. Michael White.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry I didn't answer. I was on mute and didn't know it when you called my name. But I'd like to talk with my client if he's there. And that's Rodolfo Garza.
Which one?
What's that? Rodolfo Garza is my
Rodolfo
client.
Garza, are you on the Zoom?
Yes, I'm on Zoom.
I know you are, but is your client on Zoom?
That's what I don't know.
Mr. Rodolfo Garza, are you on the Zoom? Can you hear me? If you are, please unmute yourself. I don't see him on, Mr. White.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Have you had any contact with him?
No.
Okay. In that case, it'll be a bond increase, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Christopher Castro, what you got?
Judge, I'm here on Mark Bridwell. He is present. I believe he's at work, Judge. I asked to be excused while I confer.
That's fine. Mr. Bridwell, you are excused, sir. Please stay in touch with your attorney, okay?
Are you talking to me?
Mr. Mark Birdwell?
I'll
This is
text him.
Sorry? No, ma'am. I'm looking for Mr. Mark Birdwell.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I see him logged in, Judge. He just doesn't have his camera on.
All right, you can, if you want to call him and tell him he can get back to work, whatever's fine with me.
I think, Judge.
Mr. Cecil Bain,
Present, Your Honor.
what are we gonna do with Ms. Campbell?
I need to confer with the prosecutor, please.
Okay, sir, go into breakout room 2.
And she is present.
Did you want to keep her on or you want to let her go?
Yes, I'd like to confer with her after the DA.
Okay, there you go, breakout room 2. Jerry Valdez.
Good morning, Judge. I have Carlos Martinez, 655445.
You want to confer with probation, or who do you want to confer with?
Let me speak with your illustrious, lovely probation officer.
Well, all right. Going to breakout room number 3 with Ms. De Hoyos. And Jerry, breakout room 3. There we go. Ronnie Z, what you got?
Yes, Judge, I'm here on Martin Torres Jr. If I could speak to the state, please.
Breakout room 1, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, Judge. Were you gonna put me in a breakout room?
Mr. Castro, yeah, you're supposed to go in breakout room. I didn't put you in breakout room? I thought I had. Let's see. You're in breakout room 2. Sorry about that, Chris.
Not a problem.
Rick Ramos, what you work at, bud?
Hey, Judge, I do see my client on the Zoom. I'm texting her right now. I'm going to relay an offer to her that I believe will probably be accepted, Judge. But we'll have to work out logistics with you as far as taking a plea, because we're gonna need probably a sign language interpreter or something for my
I'll tell you
client.
what, I'll have Stephanie reach out to you as far as the setting, okay?
Okay, sounds good, Judge. And I still need to get with the state. We haven't nailed it down, but we're about 90% done with the plea offer. So
Okay, I'll tell you what, I'll give you 216, but
Okay.
if you work it out sooner, even before the end of the year, just let us know and we'll get the interpreter in, okay?
sounds good, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right, man, take care.
You too.
Let's see. Are there any other attorneys on the screen that I have not spoken with? Attorneys only. Mr. Para.
Rescind Your Honor. Alan Barrera.
All right, what are we gonna do with Mr. Barrera?
I need to confer.
Okay, breakout room number 2.
Appreciate it.
Ms. Matos, what you work at?
Yes, Your Honor, the estate is actually going to email me an offer. They stated they would email me an offer later today.
Okay. You're on your 5th setting, so I'll put you in a call docket for February 6th, okay? If you work it out sooner, please let us know.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
Any other attorneys on the screen that I have not spoken with? Attorneys only.
Brian, you're good to log off.
Okay, everyone else, if you heard your name called and your attorney did not answer, that's okay. Don't worry about it. We will get to you. And if you did not hear your name called as well, we will get to you. So just kind of sit tight.
Judge, Mr. Valdez's case, that's a brand new case.
Oh, it's a brand new case?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I don't know why it says MTR. All right.
Yeah,
well,
he has Carlos Martinez. Carlos Ornelas is the MTR.
Oh, okay, because on the docket it says Carlos Martinez is the MTR.
Oh no, Judge. It's a brand new case.
Okay, well then.
So he needs to confer with Art, I believe.
Okay, let me put Jerry in breakout room. Oh, he logged off. Okay.
Judge, you need Jerry?
Jerry Valdez, yeah.
Hold on, he's in the jury room. I'll go get him.
Okay. Just have him come back here, Ken.
He's on his way over there, Judge.
Thank you.
Oops.
Mr. Karen, what'd you work out, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, we're gonna ask court for a 90-day reset, felony pending.
Oh, okay. I'll give you March the 2nd, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. Have a good day.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Will they send the reset date?
No, that's your that you've been given notice, March the 2nd.
Oh, March the 2nd. Okay, thank you. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Ms. Russell, what you got?
Judge, I have Gilberto da Silva,
Okay.
and I need to confer with the prosecutor.
Okay, you'll probably need to log on because we don't confer in the courtroom anymore.
That's fine, Judge.
Okay.
I will get logged on and go into the hallway.
Yeah, that's fine. Or if you want to either the jury room or one of the back rooms or whatever.
I will get logged on right now.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Harkowitz, what's going on?
Judge, I need to confer with Jessica on Drew Lamoureux.
Okay.
Trying to do a plea on him. He showed up on Zoom I guess on Monday, and I told him to come here today. So,
Okay. Let me put you in breakout room 2 then.
thank you.
There we go. Okay, Ms. Russell, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 2, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
There you go. Hey, what you got?
Okay, Judge, on Martinez Acosta,
Uh-huh.
I guess I'm just gonna have to set that for trial.
Okay.
And then on Porcayo, there may be an offer.
Okay, and Porcayo will give you February 16th.
Okay.
And what was your first one, Abe? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, it was Martinez Acosta, 682392.
Okay, there we are. You want a trial setting on that?
Yeah,
February the 6th for call docket, okay?
okay.
And that's it.
February 6th, for call docket on that one.
Yes, sir.
Right.
February
The other
6th.
one's just a February 6th docket.
Yeah.
Okay, and Porcayo is in the courtroom, I understand.
Yes, he is.
Okay, in the courtroom?
Yes.
Yeah, he's Spanish speaking, I believe.
Okay, I'll go out there and let him know his case was reset to February 16th.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right. Mr. Hille, what you got?
Guys have a good weekend, Judge.
You too.
I have
Good seeing you.
Mr. Giancarlo. He's really anxious to go ahead and work it out. Can we please come in person on Monday? What time would be good for you?
Mr. Giancarlo?
He's present now, but we would like to take care of the case on Monday.
Okay, 10 o'clock on Monday.
In person. Thank you so much, Your Honor. And
Yes, sir, in
maybe
person.
before I leave, can I talk to the state right quick?
Talk
In
to
case
who?
you're not going to be there on Monday, to the state.
The state, yes. Going to breakout room number 2.
Thank you.
Judge Porcayo has an English speaker here with him, so she can translate it.
Okay, thank you.
Look.
Mr. Giancarlo, you can leave. See you on Monday at 10.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you
Have
go,
a
Tom.
nice day, Judge. Bye.
You too, sir. Mr. DeWalt, what's going on?
How you doing, Your Honor?
Good, sir.
I'm sitting out in I'm sitting out in the hallway. I am
Okay.
here on an MTR for Christopher Campos, and he's sitting in your courtroom right now.
All righty. Do you want to confer with probation?
I do.
Okay, going to breakout room number 3 with Officer Doyos.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, come on in. What's up, about?
Your Honor, good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Oh, good. I know you're on Zoom. But,
Sure.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am, just like. Yes, ma'am.
can you put me in with the state
Yes, ma'am, on, okay,
for Mr. Campos? I've already spoken with Mr. DeWalt. I believe we have an agreement. I just want to make sure the state is on board.
okay, you want to talk to which one, what do you want to put your, with Art, there you go, breakout room one. Mr. Bain, what's your work out, sir?
Your Honor, the state and I have agreed that we need a short reset for further investigation on both sides.
Okay.
They're going to try to get back to us before the end of the year, so we don't. And there is a plea bargain offer on the table that would be acceptable if they can prove their case.
Okay, how long do you need, Cecil?
Just any hearing date you have for docket before the end of the year, or you could make a decision.
I'll tell you what, Stephanie had some car issues this morning. She's not logged on. I will have Stephanie email you a date before the end of the year, okay?
That'll be just fine, Judge.
Okay, so you and Miss Campbell are excused. Have a good day.
Actually, I would like to confer with her briefly and then ask her to call me this afternoon to talk about the case.
Okay, you want to put you in a breakout room with her?
Yes, please.
Okay, Miss Campbell, please go in the breakout room. You're gonna receive an invitation to go in the breakout room 5 with Mr. Bain.
Then may she and I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, Mr. Richardson.
I was in the breakout room, then my computer crashed. So Duffy was about to make an offer.
Duffy?
May I go back?
Duffy, Arthur.
Oh, Arthur, yes, excuse me. I meant to say Arthur.
Okay, breakout room 1.
My computer crashed. Don't know what happened. Never will know.
Okay. All right, dude, go back in the breakout room 1.
Thank you.
David Quare, what you got?
Yes, sir. I conferred and I did get an offer, but maybe I could go over that with my client and discuss some other options with him.
Okay, we'll give you February 16th, okay?
Yes, sir. February 16th.
All right, hang on. Okay, all right, Mr. Square, you're good to go.
My client can be excused as well?
Yes, sir. You're both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Bustamante. Ms. Areli, is it Areli Bustamante or Areli Silver? You're muted, ma'am.
Hello, Judge. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again, ma'am.
We're gonna do a plea today,
Okay.
so I'm just waiting on paperwork.
We are all pleas are now done in person, ma'am.
Oh, goodness. I'm just waiting to get down there.
Okay, well, we won't do it today.
Okay.
We could probably do it sometime next week. I can set you for any day next week. What day do you want?
I was in your courtroom, sir, so I should have known that the pleas were in person. Apologies.
No problem.
Let's see. And will it be at 9 a.m. or
At 10.
10? Okay, great. Then I would say the 13th, if possible. That's a Tuesday.
Okay, we'll set you for the 13th at 10 a.m. Plea in person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Mr. Castro, what you got?
States amended their offer, Judge. I still don't like it because it's under the BAC, but I'll take it to my client.
Okay, you have two choices. Well, I can set you on, you're on a 9th setting, so I'm gonna set you for a call docket. Come on in, February 6th, okay?
Understood, Judge, and we'll have an answer by then.
Okay, you work it out sooner, let us know.
All right, Judge, one quick question. I have a client who had missed a court date. I didn't have contact with him. I'm in contact with him. He calls me daily now to see if we've taken care of his warrant. I was hoping we can do something about the warrant. I have a case.
How long has it been gone?
He had disappeared on me for about 3 months, but the warrant's been active for a while, Judge.
I'm
But
not inclined to recall the warrant, Mr. Castro. He's gonna have to rebond or bleed his case out, one of the two.
okay, and he's also requesting a Spanish-speaking attorney.
Oh, okay, well, in that case, submit your motion to withdraw and we can reappoint him somebody else.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay,
Judge,
thank
who
you.
is this? Who is this on?
Mr. Santoscoy's case number 679622.
Okay, I thought that was Mr. Birdwell. I saw you in that case too.
No, it's an off-docket matter.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Have a good day. Kenny, I'm gonna step away for just a second.
Yes, Judge. You're muted. Are you talking?
Hello, I'm sorry. I'm gonna step away for a couple of minutes. The reset dates are February 16th. Felony pending March the 2nd. And call docket February 6th. If they want to wait, I'll be back in about 3 or 4 minutes.
Okay. Hi, Mr. DeWalt. Oh, there's Judge.
Eric, what you got?
Sorry, I was talking with probation. I wasn't sure if she was coming back to the breakout room or not. They were talking about withdrawing this MTR and
Yeah,
continuing.
she's conferring with the state.
Okay, I'll go back
And,
into 3.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Ron, what you got?
Well, Judge, I am here on Martin Torres and it's case number.
I got it.
Okay. The state has offered PTD, and they did that on the last setting, which actually was in August. I have not been successful in contacting my client. I would like one more reset, just if I could, just to try to get hold of him.
When's the last time you had contact with him?
Never.
In that case, we will send Javier Salazar to look for him. And once they find him, you'll find him in jail court.
Well, I hope not. I hope he calls me today after I left the message yesterday and we're able to come back to the court and beg forgiveness.
Well, if he shows up, he'll have a lovely color of orange on, so we'll deal with him then.
Okay. All right, Judge. Thanks.
All right, Ron. Good seeing you, man. I'll
Okay.
see you. Have a good holiday.
You too. Oh, I'll be in sometime next week, I think.
We'll be here, sir.
All right. Have a good one, Judge.
You too. DG, what you got, Dave?
Morning, Judge. I got Benjamin Garza, who's there on the screen.
Okay.
You can throw me in with the prosecutor, that'd be great.
Did you want to leave Mr. Garza on, or can we send him back to work, or what are we gonna do?
If you can leave him on so I can speak to him real quick.
Okay.
And then, actually, why don't you put me in a room with him real quick and then
Okay.
we can.
Mr.
release
Benjamin
him.
Garza, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go into breakout. You're gonna receive an invitation on your screen to go into breakout room 6. Go in with Mr. Garcia to breakout room 6, okay?
All right. Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Thanks, Judge.
Mr. Prado, what you got, sir? You're muted, sir.
My apologies. The state offered us an offer. I'm gonna confirm my client. Can I just get like a 2-week reset?
We're not gonna be here in 2 weeks, Mr. Prado.
How about like a week?
I'll tell you what we can do. I'll give you February 16th, but if you work it out sooner, just let us know. We're taking all pleas in person. So
Okay.
you can walk them in any day and we can plead them out.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate it, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, I'll give you February 16th, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, good seeing you. Take care.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Dave, what you got?
So now you can throw me in with a DA, Judge, and Mr. Garza, you can leave. You're done.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, Dave, go into breakout room number 2.
Thanks, Judge.
There you go. Candy, didn't Mr. Butta ask for a felony pending reset? No?
No, that was someone else.
Oh, okay. I don't know why I put felony pending on his. Okay. So we'll give him 216. And Ms. Bustamante, we gave her a plea date of 12/13. Yeah.
Correct.
Jerry Valdez, I gave him 216 because it's not an MTR, it's actually a new case.
That's right.
Has Cecil Bain come out? I guess not, right?
He wanted to be set on a docket date before the end of the year.
Oh, that's right.
And you were gonna have Stephanie.
Stephanie sent me a picture. She had a blowout.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not fun. Oh, and her car's pretty new.
Oh, yeah, but all those ranch roads and I guess
Yeah, okay.
they take their toll in the car, I guess. I'll be right back.
Are you there, Judge?
What's going on, Candy?
Joel, what you got?
The state will dismiss her case. The breathalyzer was below 0.08. I guess, Stephen, Mr. Reed will send you the dismissal ASAP.
Okay,
If you want me to talk to Laura, Miss Juarez in a breakout room, I can do that. And then
Rachel Juarez, are you on?
she was a while ago. I think maybe, I don't know what happened to her.
Yeah, I think she's gone.
Okay.
So if you want to give her a call, let her know.
Yeah, she was
I'm
in.
Hello?
Let me talk to her breakout room and tell her what happened, and then wish her Merry Christmas. Wish you
Okay.
Merry Christmas, Candy. Merry Christmas.
Miss Waters, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go into breakout room number 4 with your attorney. Joe, you're good to go after that, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you,
was
sir. Have a
wondering-
good Christmas.
I was wondering if Candy's name was Candy Cane.
Only during Christmas time.
It's actually Candy K.
Candy cane.
Close enough.
Related to Mary Kay, the millionaire makeup person. No, I like candy canes. I have one in my candy box over here. So thank you. Merry
All right,
Christmas.
we'll see you.
Merry Christmas, Joe.
Thank you.
So Judge, I see what happened. Rosendo Pata wanted to plea in 2 weeks. You said we wouldn't be here. And so he wanted to plea next week. But the one right above, Edward Karam, that was the one that was, you
That
set
was
for
a felony.
3-2.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
That was the felony.
All righty. As long as you have the date straight, because I know Stephanie's gonna ask you. The person on the iPhone in the brown jacket, who's your attorney?
I was supposed to hire one, Your Honor, but I haven't got one yet. I was not able to get one.
What's your name?
Abilene Schneider.
Six eight 689-816, Judge.
Have you spoken to anyone about hiring them?
I have, sir, but I haven't got one just yet. If anything, if I can go for a court appointed, I'd go for one if I can, if it's
Yeah.
still available.
Okay, I'm gonna reset you for February 16th.
Okay.
And I will have my court coordinator send you appoint you an attorney, and they will contact you, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, you're good to go, man.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Give me just 1 second.
Kenny,
Yes, ma'am.
Christopher Campos should be in the courtroom.
Right.
Can you chat me his email address, please?
All right.
Thank you.
Elisa, I let Eric go because he had to go to the 144th. Are y'all gonna withdraw that or what?
Yes, Judge, it's going to be withdrawn and conditions amended. So I just need the probationer's email address. That way I can send the amended conditions, and he will have until 5 p.m. today to get those signed. That way I can submit the motion to withdraw.
Okay, let me get Eric to log back on.
I'm about to send you that email.
Thank you.
Mhm.
I don't know if you have his cell phone number. I can just text him because he won't have to be present if we had already discussed it.
Yeah, let me send it to you in the chat.
Okay, thank you.
There you go.
And I texted that information to you, Lisa.
Thank you. I received both.
Ms. Russell, what'd you work at? She might be on another Zoom.
Jorge Tovar, that's Joseph Acevedo's client.
Yeah, I just texted.
And Judge, on a different issue, the motion to suppress that we had earlier this week, did the court make a ruling?
Yes, that motion is denied.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm in court, Eric DeWalt.
Okay,
Sorry,
there
it
you
was
are.
easier, it was easier to come to court than log back on.
Ms. DeOyo said they're gonna withdraw your client's MTR and amended conditions. And Eddie, so you need him to report to probation, or what do you need him to do?
No, Judge, Mr. DeWalt, I did discuss the case with the state. It is gonna be withdrawn, amended for the portable monitor in lieu of the interlock, because you do have the proof of the vehicle repossession. And then just so he can complete the outpatient treatment.
And he is in the courtroom right now, and you're in the diagnosis class right now, and you have the portable breath test already, correct? Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna email him through Adobe Sign the paperwork, so he will have, he should get it before noon. If he can just sign it and return it before 5 o'clock, that way the motion can be withdrawn today.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And he's
See you.
just to report to his officer as scheduled.
As scheduled. I appreciate everything. Officer De Hoyos and Judge, thank you all very much. May I be excused?
All right. Good seeing you, sir. Have a good day. Art, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Acevedo, text me on, his client, Mr. Tovar.
Okay.
He said he provided you with, or he provided the DAs with the certificates of completion necessary in exchange for y'all's agreement. Is that correct?
Perhaps. Do you have a case number handy?
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor?
There's two cases, 680-057 and 058.
Okay. I will look into that, Your Honor.
Okay, because he's stuck in district court and his client's on right now. And if I want to go ahead and let him go, but if they're, I want to make sure that everything's on the up and up.
Okay, I'll look into that. Thank you very much.
And take us off of YouTube. Oops.
What happened to Miss